Hey, what's up everybody? So guess what? I am going to show you how to make some beautiful fluffy eggs. Now it's not hard and it might be kind of different than the way that you make your eggs. But hey, it works. It's awesome. It gives you the nice fluffy eggs. It's beautiful. It's kind of like maybe a French style, I would say, but I don't know. But hey, I want to show you how to make fluffy eggs, and it's so easy, and it is going to blow your mind how easy it is, even though it might look difficult. All right, let's make some eggs. All right, so first off, I'm going to tell you about this pot that I'm using. It's a Descoware, which is pretty much Le Creuset. Le Creuset purchased Descoware years ago, and this baby right here is perfect. It's heavy, it's beautiful, and believe it or not, Le Creuset got their enameled style from Descoware. That's right, Descoware, aka Belgium ware. All right, so first off, I'm going to put 2 cups of water in the pot, and I'm going to let it come to a light boil, pretty much a simmer. And once it does that, I'm going to take a silver or a metal bowl that can fit right on top of that, and I'm going to sit it on top so it can get warm. Then I'm going to take 1 tablespoon of unsalted butter. That's right, and I'm going to put it in there and I'm going to let it melt down. After it melts down, I'm going to take 2 eggs that are unscrambled, as you see right here, and I'm going to take my whisk and I'm going to start whisking. Now you want to keep whisking. You don't want to stop because the air and the butter and the heat is going to make these eggs start to fluff up a little bit. Now, this will take some work. It takes about 3 minutes of whisking and whisking and whisking, but your eggs will come out beautiful. All right, so as you can see, the eggs are making their change. They're starting to cook up a little bit, and they are starting to get a little bit of fluff to it because of the air. That's right. So you keep whisking, and you know what? It's worth it. I gotta say, it's worth it. I mean, it takes like 3 minutes of whisking, but as you can see, the eggs are coming along really, really well. And I'm excited about this because I love fluffy, airy eggs. That's right. So look at it. It's changing. It's moving along. Yeah, baby. Come on. Work, 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 work. And you just keep going. Just make sure that you're getting a full whisk in on the bottom of the pan because you don't want the eggs to start to stick to it. You're just going to continue to whisk. And the reason why it works like this is because it's not on direct heat. It's pretty much the steam from the pot below that's causing the metal bowl to get hot, which means that the eggs are not taking on direct heat and it's coming along really, really well. All right, when the eggs are just about done, you're going to take another tablespoon of unsalted butter, and then you're going to get back to whisking. Well, you can add some salt to it too. I use sea salt. And then you get back to whisking until the butter is all melted. That's right, and that takes about maybe 1.5 minutes to 2 minutes. But as you can see, the eggs are starting to fluff up really well. It's taking in the butter. That flavor of butter is going to make these eggs amazing and tasty with the sea salt as well. Now, the eggs are done, and I'm putting it on my beautiful bird plate. That's right, and I got this plate at Home Goods, a whole set. They're pretty cool. Back to the eggs. Look at the eggs. They're nice. They're fluffy. If you make these for your girlfriend or your boyfriend or your wife or your husband or your uncle or aunt, whoever you make them for, they're going to love it. And as far as the taste goes, well, I can tell you, these eggs taste beautiful, amazing, buttery, smooth, velvety, however you want to describe a beautiful, awesome tasting egg. This is it right here. So the next time you make some eggs, give this a try. I guarantee you, you will love them. All right, go make some.